We are tackling a topic today that's both practical and emotional: old age homes versus retirement planning. It's about securing dignity, comfort, and peace during your golden years. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, your strategist for managing and protecting wealth. As we age, one thing becomes crystal clear: financial planning is not just about numbers. It's about securing your dignity, the lifestyle, and the care you deserve. Today, we will explore two scenarios: relying on old age homes versus living in your own house, building a solid retirement plan. Part A: Old age homes. These homes can be a blessing for those who need specialized care or companionship. They offer structured environment, medical assistance, and social securities. But here is the catch: they come at a cost, both financial and emotional. High quality old age homes are expensive, with fees, medical care, and other services. But what is the real problem? It's when you are forced to go to an old age home because of financial dependence. Let's pause for a moment to think. What happened to the money you earned during the last 20-25 years before the retirement? That time, were you focused on your children's education, fun trips with friends, or eating out, but skipped planning for your own future? Just think about these. Now, part B: retirement planning. This process gives you the freedom to shape your financial future. You stay in your own home or can choose a premium old age home. Choice is yours. Here are 5 mantras for effective retirement planning. 1. Start early. The earlier you save and invest, the more time your money has to grow. Make compounding your best friend. 2. Diversify investments. Balance your portfolio with mutual funds, stocks, and retirement specific plans to minimize risk. 3. Plan for future costs. Account for inflation, healthcare, and lifestyle preferences. Plan for 20 to 30 years of post retirement life. 4. Get health insurance. Health and long term care insurance can shield you from unforeseen medical expenses. 5. Build a safety net. Create an emergency fund to handle unexpected costs without disturbing your main savings. My closing remarks would be: want to live in an old age home? Plan for the best one that suits your lifestyle. Want to stay in your own home? Plan for that too. With advanced retirement planning, like a smart investor, you can ensure a life of comfort, peace, and independence without compromising your dreams. Here is a simple financial quote for you: throughout the life, your hands were in a position to give. Why let them shift to a position of dependence after retirement? Keep your dignity intact by implementing a detailed retirement plan 20 to 25 years before you retire. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I will see you in the next video.